yes, today we are talking about unity and discernment.
Yes. So in order to have unity, you have to be discerning. Not everyone is a part of your tribe. Not everyone is meant to know what you know. Not everyone is meant to go where you need to go. So, in order to be strong, you have to be as strong as the weakest link. And if there is no weak links in your chain, then how can anything in you or around you or anything that you care or love about be broken? It can't. It's impossible. That's the ultimate drive to unity. Now, if you want to know the universe, there is a mantra in the universe that says, accept all, reject nothing. Right? But we all know that you can't be around people whose energy is not on your frequency. You can feel it. It will zap your energy. It will destiny swap you. It will have you sick. And you have to be very careful who you are around.
Very factual.
Yes, you can take over from there.
So yes, that is why it is essential to discern. And you can discern by checking your own frequency when you're in the presence of
Everyone.
a being. Yeah.
Everyone.
Check your energy. How do I feel? How's this person making me feel?
Yes, and also don't forget, your energy also has a lot to do with the atmosphere that you step into. Not all the time is there an atmosphere created. A lot of times your presence can create that atmosphere. So
Yes.
you know how y'all could be in a room or you could be at work and there's one coworker that messes up the day for everybody. Why does that energy do that? How is that energy able to permeate the whole entire group?
Well, I think it's a matter of like surrendering to the energy, but sometimes in that way we surrender our own power because we have the frequency, we have the power to set the tone. You come in with big love energy, it is felt, it ripples, the frequency
It does.
It's undeniable, it cannot be matched, love always wins.
Yes, always.
So always remember that as well. So you come into work and everybody will be pissed off by that coworker except you.
Right.
And everybody loves that you're around because it balances the energy within the environment.
And you guys all know that there's one coworker that's always smiling, always giving gifts, always giving compliments.
Okay.
And you guys are like, oh, why is she or he so weird? They're not being weird. They're a part of the ascension process. They understand, hey, I am a light. I came to shine on you.
On this
You
ride.
may not want it right now, but you'll be warmed by this light in some way, shape, form, or fashion.
Precisely.
You know what I mean? Maybe I was the only one that gave you a compliment that day. And that made you smile a little bit. You know what I mean? And then maybe you'll be nice to me. And then once you become nice to me, I can let you know that it's okay to be nice to other people. You understand what I mean? Like, it's okay. People are walking around here angry all the time.
Angry,
And it's like,
frustrated.
and then you say, oh, well, when are we going to come together? What you
But
mean?
you know what it is too. You also gotta have the eye to see that those people that are in that negative energy, they need love the most. You know, so have grace with people. Sometimes people are not self-aware of how they're coming off, and you know, life be lifing.
Life definitely be
know
life,
what I'm
and
saying?
even with you.
So hold space, hold grace for people. I ain't gonna say you gotta tolerate them all day, every day,
No.
but you know, boundaries.
And even yourself,
Healthy
you
boundaries.
need to have grace with yourself also.
Yes,
Because not every
indeed.
time you're going to wake up in the morning and feel like sunshine and rainbows.
Yes, indeed.
You know, but before you speak to another person, before you interact with another person, at least try. Put on a smile. At least say, this person didn't do anything to me. They don't deserve this bad attitude. They don't deserve this energy. Let me just
breathe.
Let me just breathe for a minute. Let me
Woosah.
just take it all in.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And
And is that person even the one that's really even irritating or frustrating you, or are
No.
you projecting? What's going
and
on?
most of the time we are projecting, because that person doesn't know that you just got into an argument. That person doesn't know that you might be being evicted. That person doesn't know that
Right.
you don't make enough on your job.
that person don't
doesn't
know that you remind them of somebody they ain't even never met or heard about.
Right? They have no idea.
Huh? This is a new being of love and light and infinite potential. How will you treat them? Because your vibration, your perception of them, your frequency, it will set the tone.
It most
You
definitely
believe
will.
something, you will see it within your reality. So
Yes.
make sure that you're seeing people through the lens of love, so
The
that you can
lens
see
of
them
love.
clearly.
Oh yes.
Discernment.
Yes. Discernment.
We love y'all. God is tribe.
God is
We out.
tribe.